Looking for a cheap, easy, and delicious potato recipe? Welcome to a culinary journey that celebrates the humble potato. Today, we're going to transform this everyday ingredient into a dish that will make your taste buds dance. Our secret? Just two main ingredients: potatoes and eggs. Yes, you heard that right. Just 3 potatoes and 3 eggs are all you need to whip up a dish that's as simple as it is delicious. Stay tuned as we reveal the magic behind this simple yet mouth-watering dish. To whip up this delectable dish, you only need 2 main ingredients. First up, we have 3 medium-sized potatoes. These humble spuds are the star of our dish. Next, we'll need 3 eggs, nature's perfect protein package. It's always best to opt for fresh, quality ingredients. Remember, the better your ingredients, the tastier your dish will be. So, get yourself to the market and pick the freshest potatoes and eggs you can find. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Take the potatoes and start grating them into a bowl. Watch as the humble spud transforms into a fluffy, textured base for our dish. The act of grating is not just about reducing the potato to smaller pieces. It's about creating a consistency that will blend seamlessly with our other main ingredient, eggs. Now let's crack open 3 eggs into the bowl. Look at the beautiful contrast, the bright yellow yolks against the white of the grated potatoes. But we're not just here for aesthetics. Eggs bring a rich, velvety texture and help bind our ingredients together. It's time to mix. Dive in with your spatula and start combining these 2 simple ingredients. As you stir, you're not just mixing, you're inviting the flavors to mingle, to know each other, to create a harmonious blend. It's crucial to get this right. You want every bite to have an even distribution of potato and egg, each enhancing the other's taste. Don't rush this process. Take your time. Feel the ingredients meld under your spatula. See the mixture change as the potato and egg intertwine. This is not just cooking, it's a dance of flavors, an art in itself. Once everything is well combined, we're ready to cook this mixture into our delicious dish. Remember, great dishes are born from the love and attention we pour into each step. Don't just cook, create, and let every bite tell its own story. Pour the mixture into a non-stick pan on medium heat. Let the symphony of sizzling sounds fill your kitchen as the delicious aroma wafts through the air. Allow the potato-egg concoction to cook undisturbed for a moment, letting the bottom layer turn into a golden brown crust. When you see the edges start to crisp up, that's your cue. It's time to flip the mixture over. Now here's a helpful tip. Don't rush this process. Patience is key to achieving that perfect, crispy texture. Once the other side is also beautifully bronzed, test its readiness. Gently press the center with your spatula. If it bounces back, your dish is done. If not, give it a little more time. And there you have it. Slide your crispy, golden creation onto a plate. Just look at that. Simple ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. Your simple and delicious potato dish is ready to serve. And there you have it. A cheap and easy potato recipe that's sure to impress. Just grate 3 potatoes, mix in 3 eggs, and voila! A budget-friendly meal that's not only easy to whip up, but also incredibly tasty. This dish is versatile too, making a great breakfast or a delightful side dish. So, the next time you're in the mood for something simple yet satisfying, remember this recipe. Enjoy this delicious potato dish, and remember, good food doesn't have to be complicated or expensive.